I had an extensive insurance background when I became a broker. And my vision as a broker was to be a commercial broker, to have one office where we could serve commercial customers. But I didn't start that way. I started in a small storefront, 500 square foot storefront, down Boundary Road here. Well, I always wanted to leave something behind, and the best way to be able to do that is to have your children committed to doing that as much as you are. Like many sons and daughters of brokers, didn't really intend to be an insurance broker, but he came to work for us one summer when he was in university. Then said to me one day, "Dad, I kind of like this business. I think I'd like to make a career of it."
It's a pretty exceptional opportunity that I know a lot of people don't get, and it's one where there was a lot of learning involved with that, right? And the thing about family businesses that we've learned through trial and error is that when you're bridging Gen 1 and Gen 2 and bringing them together to work together to move forward, there's different ideas and there's different thoughts about things. He's compassionate but firm. Jim has a laser focus. There could be, bombs going off around his desk and all sorts of things going on, and he has an ability just to see it through, to stay the course. And that's something I really admire and respect in him.
I'd like to think that I'm a very empathetic person, and I'm always thinking about others and the welfare of others. And so when I see that there's something that can be done for somebody and that I'm capable of doing it, then I do it. Like, I got involved with bridges right at the beginning when a bunch of us insurance people went to Nicaragua to build a house. That experience was profound, and with bridges, we go into the community, we stay in the community, we work with the community. That's what's so important, because you can see the effects you're having over time, that we are contributing to the improvement in people's lives profoundly.
Above all, we believe in doing the right thing. And that translates, in the social giving that we do and getting on boards and not-for-profit boards together and giving back into the community. He does have a very strong social conscience in that regard, in terms of what he believes we're ultimately here to do, in addition to provide for ourselves, but also to help make the world a little bit better, even if it's just incrementally.
So I like to stay involved. There's nothing I would rather do when I get up in the morning than come to work.